Class 8 Science, we were discussing chapter 15, some natural phenomena, and in this video we will discuss about earthquakes. Thunderstorm with lightning and cyclones can be predicted to some extent. Now, what is the meaning of this predicted? It means उनका पूर्वानुमान लगाया जा सकता है कि वो कब आने वाले. So we get time to take measures to protect ourselves from damage caused by these phenomena. But there is one natural phenomena which we are not yet able to predict accurately, and this phenomena is earthquake. It can cause damage to human life and property on a huge scale. A major earthquake occurred in India on 8th October 2005 in Uri and Tangdhar towns of North Kashmir. Before that, a major earthquake occurred on 26th January 2001 in Bhuj district of Gujarat. These are the pictures showing damage in Kashmir earthquake. You can see all the buildings are demolished. Now, what is an earthquake? What happens when it occurs? What can we do to minimize its effects? In this video, we will discuss about all these. Okay. First of all, what is an earthquake? An earthquake is a sudden shaking or trembling. Trembling means vibration in the kampna of the earth, which lasts for a very short time. It is caused by disturbance deep inside the earth's crust. Major earthquake can cause immense means atyadik damage to buildings, bridges, dams and people. There can be great loss to life and property. Earthquakes can cause floods, landslides and tsunamis. A major tsunami occurred in the Indian Ocean on 26th December 2004. All the coastal areas around the ocean suffered huge losses. Now, what causes an earthquake? In ancient times, people did not know the true cause of earthquakes. Their ideas were expressed in mythical stories. Mythical means कल्पित, काल्पनिक कहानियों के द्वारा वो इनका कारण बताते थे. उसमें से एक कारण, काल्पनिक कारण ये है, like earth is balanced on the horn of a bull, and when the bull shifts it to the other horn, an earthquake takes place. But actually, tremors means भूकंप के झटके, are caused by the disturbance deep down inside the uppermost layer of the earth called the crust. This diagram representing the different layers of the earth. This innermost, this is called inner core. The layer which is represented by this blue, this yellow color, this is outer core. This one is mantle, and this outermost, this is called crust. Clear? The outermost layer of the earth is not in one piece. It is fragmented. Fragmented means टुकड़ों में बटी हुई. Each fragment is called a plate. See this diagram. This diagram representing the different plates of the earth crust. Okay. This is enlarged form of these earth plates like Eurasian plate, Indian plate, Arabian plate. These plates are in continual motion. Continual means लगातार. When they brush past, मतलब हल्के से छूना, one another, or a plate goes under another due to collision. Collision means टकराना. They cause a disturbance in the earth's crust. See this diagram. This is representing colliding. Okay. This one plate is colliding with this. Okay. And this diagram representing brushing past. हल्के से छूना, एक प्लेट इधर जा रही है, एक प्लेट इधर जा रही है और दोनों आपस में हल्के से टच कर गई. Okay, and due to this colliding, due to this collision and due to this brushing past, disturbance is occurring. Okay, and this disturbance that shows up as an earthquake on the surface of the earth. क्या इस डिस्टरबेंस जो कि काफी डीप के अंदर होता है अर्थ क्रस्ट में, ये ऊपर की तरफ अर्थक्वेक के रूप में हमें नजर आता है। Tremors on the earth can also be caused when a volcano erupts or a meteor hits the earth. Now what is this meteor? See, a meteor is a smaller body in space that collides with the earth. It's also another word for a shooting star. टूटता हुआ तारा, आपने सुना होगा नाम, ओके, इसी को हम meteor बोलते हैं। Or an underground nuclear explosion is carried out. However, most earthquakes are caused by the movement of Earth's plates. Since earthquakes are caused by the movement of plates, the boundaries of the plates are the weak zone where earthquakes are more likely to occur. Boundaries, at the boundaries. And the weak zones are also known as seismic or fault zones. In India, the areas most threatened are Kashmir, Western and Central Himalayas, the whole of Northeast, run of Kutch, Rajasthan, and the Indo-Gangetic Plain. Some areas of South India also fall in the danger zone. The power of an earthquake is expressed in terms of magnitude on a scale, and that scale is known as a Richter scale. Really destructive earthquakes have magnitudes higher than 7 on the Richter scale. Both Bhuj and Kashmir earthquakes had magnitudes greater than 7.5. The tremors produce waves on the surface of the earth. These waves are called seismic waves. The waves are recorded by an instrument called seismograph. See this diagram representing seismograph. The instrument is simply a vibrating rod or a pendulum which starts vibrating when tremors occur. A pen is attached to the vibrating system. The pen records the seismic waves on a paper which moves under it. See, in this diagram, this is a string, this is pendulum, and this is a pen, okay, and this is paper. Map of the earthquake. By studying these waves, that is seismic waves, scientists can construct a complete map of the earthquake. They can also estimate its power to cause destruction. This diagram represents map of the earthquake. In this case, this inside the earth, this is epicenter. That is, we can say starting point of the earthquake. Okay, and these, just see carefully, these represent the seismic waves. Okay, an increase of 2 in magnitude on Richter scale means 1000 times more destructive energy. Therefore, an earthquake of a magnitude 6 has 1000 times more destructive energy than an earthquake of magnitude 4. Protection against earthquakes. The buildings in seismic zones should be so designed that they can withstand major tremors. It is advisable to make the structure simple so that it is quake safe. In highly seismic areas, the use of mud or timber means lakadi, is better than using heavy construction material. Keep roofs as light as possible. In case the structure falls, the damage will not be heavy. It is better if the cupboards and shelves are fixed to the walls so that they do not fall easily. Be careful where you hang wall clocks, photo frames, water heaters, etc. so that in the event of an earthquake they do not fall on people. Since some buildings may catch fire due to an earthquake, it is necessary that all buildings, especially tall buildings, have fire fighting equipment in working order. The Central Building Research Institute, Roorkee, has developed know how to make quake-resistant houses. In the event that an earthquake does strike, मतलब अब earthquake आ गया, then take the following steps to protect yourself. If you are at home, take shelter under a table and stay there till the shaking stops, like this. Stay away from tall and heavy objects that may fall on you. Just see this diagram. Away from these objects. If you are in bed, do not get up. Protect your head with a pillow, like this. Okay? यदि आप सो रहे हैं तो उठना नहीं है आपको. अपने सिर को पिलो से प्रोटेक्ट करना है. If you are outdoors, यदि आप बाहर हैं, find a clear spot away from buildings, trees and overhead power lines. Drop to the ground. If you are in a car or a bus, do not come out. Ask the driver to drive slowly to a clear spot. Do not come out till the tremors stop. Clear? Thank you.